Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to change your profile picture on Skype using your smartphone. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, the process is quite simple. Once you know where to tap, this is useful if you want to personalize your account. Make your profile look more professional, or simply update your image with something new. Let's get started. Unlock your smartphone and find the Skype app icon. Tap it to open. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, phone number, and password. Log in to continue. Once the Skype home screen appears, look at the top part of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials if you haven't added one before in a small circle, usually at the top center or top left corner. Tap on that to open your profile menu. After tapping your profile icon, your full profile will be displayed. Now, tap on the small camera icon or edit icon that appears on or next to your current profile picture. This will open a menu allowing you to choose a new picture. You'll now have options. Open Photo Library. Select this if you already have a picture saved on your phone. Camera. Use your phone's camera to take a new picture instantly. View photo or remove photo. Once you've selected or taken the picture you want, tap Save or Done. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone or app version. Your new profile picture will now be updated across your Skype account and visible to your contacts. Now your Skype account looks fresher with your new image. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.